My name is Akile Shumatawe. I'm the CEO of BENUE Family TV. I really appreciate you. Thank you for always supporting me. And I was just want to say thank you to my fans, my my followers. You are my family. You know, everybody I have on this platform, on this channel, they're all my family. Thank you for your support. We started this journey some few years ago, and today we are about 3,500 subscribers and still counting. So I really appreciate you guys for what you have been doing, how you have been supporting me, and how you have been supporting this channel. You know, you're my family, and I love you. Let's keep the energy going. We can go to 5,000 subscribers, from 5,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 15 to 20,000. You know, you keep growing every day. So I really appreciate you. I love you, and for always supporting this channel. I will say God bless you, and you can still support. All right, don't forget to follow this page, because we are making progress, and very soon we'll be bringing movies to you, and for this holiday season for you to enjoy. So I really appreciate each and every subscriber that I have on this YouTube channel. I I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. I can't call you by names, but what I can say, I will just say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel, and God bless you. I really appreciate you, and we have been monetized here. We've been monetized, so thank you so much. There's no family like this family of YouTube. So God bless you. Bye for now. Mm, so.